2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's get right into this immediately. Hey, what's up? It's your brother, your lover, the king, Son Official, back with another quick video. Today, we're taking a look at the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is the mid-level trim. Very exquisite car. You know Hyundai, they are known to pretty much take little bits and pieces from other companies and make it their own. And you know what? It's gorgeous. Let's get some beautiful shots. Wow. This beautiful metallic gray color. Absolutely exquisite. This car has a beautiful, militant, squared presence, which I feel looks very masculine and tough. We're pushing a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Yes, this big vehicle right here has a 4-cylinder engine. There is a hybrid option as well. Absolutely sweet. Let's go see these tires. Come on. We got Continental Terrain Contact tires here, 245/60 R18 with the polished black rims. Pretty decent. Very nice. Very, very nice. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely sharp. Wow. Here's your beautiful 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Pretty nice. Like very, very nice. It gives you that power that you need to push this big behemoth. Very nice. Nice hood struts to hold up the hood. Very strong, very clean. Lots of room for mechanical maintenance. So they have a lot of room. There's a lot of room to work with for doing things like oil changes, alternator repairs, any type of little maintenance that you got to do on this vehicle. Lots of room. Absolutely nice. Nice. Okay, let's go inside. Very, very nice. Wow. What's this? Corona. Don't worry, it's non-alcoholic, 0.0%. Very nice car. This is brand new. Very nice. We're gonna start her up. Where's the button there? So the button is right over here. Wow. Wow. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging for your phone. Very, very nice. Nice thick wheel. Good horn. Good buttons. Good quality plush feel. Power windows, power locks. Heated mirrors. Heated seats. Blind spot monitoring. Everything's all here. Lane departure warning. Dual climate zone. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Very nice. Type-C USB. Absolutely epic. Absolutely sick. Cool little nifty shifter here. So you turn it to go into drive, or you push it right here to go into park. Turn it right there to go into reverse. You're greeted with a nice reverse camera. So we'll go into drive and we'll see how this feels. Oh, wow. This is nice. A lot of power. Turbo really kicks in pretty quick. Yeah, my seatbelt's not on. It's not a big deal. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, this is beautiful. I can't complain. Okay, we're gonna pull up right here and I wanna see the back seats. Back seats, pretty nice. You also have a third row seating back here, which is pretty cool. And you can also fold every seat down to make it nice and flat. Just like that. Very, very nice. Like I said, this is a quick, very quick overview. When I get a test model, I'll definitely give you guys a good rundown. But this is nice. I want to know what this does. This is pretty cool. You know, I want to know what this does. I don't know yet. Maybe it's a little storage compartment. See a little key there. So yeah, it can be locked. So I think it is a storage compartment, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Yeah, this is it. We're gonna go for a quick drive and get a good feel. 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. Very, very quiet. Nice, smooth vehicle. .5-liter turbocharged engine. Very nice. Does the job. Very plain Jane, very simple, but practical and straight to the point. Come to a full stop here. We are going to turn left. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. It's a pretty nice car. 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe, mid-level, 2.5-liter turbocharged engine. Very nice. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, comment down below, let me know what kind of features you like from this vehicle. Let me know if this is a vehicle that you would actually get in the future. And stay tuned for the next one. It's your brother, your lover, the King K Son Official, signing off. I'll see you guys later. Peace.